Hey guys, it's Down Jenkins Locks. Actually out here doing a all keys lost on a 2008 Ford Edge. Of course, I didn't have my video equipment handy, and I didn't think to pull my phone out because that's usually a crappy type video. But I just decoded the lock, and we're gonna cut a test key. So I'll be right back. It is cold out here. Actually, I want to try. Let's see something. Where is the VIN number? I'll try this out. Oh, I don't have internet. What a shocker. Okay, well that was a fail. So let's go back. And we're going to go to vehicle database. I wonder if I can make Ford just a favorite, because that's been Edge, right? Yep, Edge. It is cold as all get out here. This is a 2008. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm not handling this multi thing going here, but got the key in. Got the cuts that I decoded with the leashy. May have to go back and try to reenact that, like old Christmas photos. Okay, so secondary cutting. This is the first time I've used the 1.5mm cutter, so yeah, no work. Doing a second pass. We're about 40%. Hey, you know, the safety guard does cut down on shavings. Let's see how my leashy skills are evolving. Success. Alright, good. Let's go ahead and get these two. Yeah, no tripod for the phone, so sorry guys. Give me just a second. And I forgot my brush. Tip 4. Okay. Okay. Cutting key, same menu, secondary cutting. Secondary cutting. Verify this key. And I'm hitting all sorts of buttons on my phone, so good. Alright, we're ready to go for number key number 3, but oh man, it's so cold. Okay, I'm just going to assume this one opens too. So what I'm going to do now is pull this. I'm going to pause this for a minute while I grab my programmer. Okay, I'm in. Got everything connected. I hope this is still recording. We're going to try first key. Good. Oh. At least that wasn't as loud as that Explorer. Good God. Alright, so we're good. So, I'm going to have to get creative on video editing on this. Okay, I don't know how to shut any of this off. Off. Hey, I can learn. Okay. So let's go Diagnostics. Yeah, Ford, number 1. Agree. So, North American. Go Mobilizer. Edge. This is the 2008 flavor. All keys lost. No. Yep. Switch ignition on. Press OK. Do you need to bypass? Yes, I would like to bypass that. Where was that option on the Explorer? Okay. Turn the ignition off. Ignition on. 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. 1001, 1002, 1003. Let's just see, because I didn't hear any door locks or... Okay, success. We do have odometer of 184,841. I'm never going to remember that. And apparently I cannot get it. Okay, so let's zoom back out. There's one. Alright, we're good. Well, guys, thanks for watching me freeze my Took Us Off out here while you're enjoying this from wherever. And I will catch you guys next time.